similar to this, a 58. Mine is a two-tone, green and white.
Very nice.
Again, not a car that's really great for dating.
And yeah, but they made famous by Oracle in Family Matters.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Used by John Shannon, given the affectionate nickname the Batmobile. Once again, this is not a walkway or a stand there way.
The front grille, the way it cuts back, is just special on this car.
Well, very nice. Sunroof and everything.
Congratulations.
Power wheels, sunroof, and everything.
I don't know what they call it.
And you know.
Go on, Daddy, go on. Look at you, Mama. Go on, Daddy.
Congratulations.
You know, that was before they put all the crazy graphics on police cars. I mean, they just threw the name and a seal on it. They called it a day, you know what I mean?
Very nice.